What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be installing a test pipe for the Honda Civic. I want to get a downpipe, but as of right now I'm gonna just go with a test pipe to see how the sound quality is and see if I see any kind of gains out of this. But I'm just trying to get it ready for some time attack event that I'm going next week. Going to Bud and Willow, see what kind of times I can put down and see if I can go any faster. But yeah, I'm going to be installing this test pipe that I purchased from eBay. It's a no-name brand. Couldn't find a name for it, but it's a no-name brand from eBay. I think it was like $80 that it cost me. It's a catless test pipe, so you're gonna see and find out how this thing looks. We're gonna open it up and check it out. Doesn't look that bad. The welds look pretty decent. Nothing wrong with it. I guess we'll find out when we install it and see how it sounds. But first, I guess we'll do a little sound clip of before and after. So as of right now, I only have an engine intake on the car, and everything else is pretty much stock. And then from there, I am trying to get an exhaust, a 3-inch custom exhaust that I want to do. I want to kind of get my own muffler, my own resonator, and then go from there and build it that way. But for now, just this is gonna be it. Looks pretty good. Let's see what else is in there. Oh, I guess this is a hanger, so it won't rattle. Not bad. We'll see how it goes. But let's check out this exhaust clip of the stock one right now. So we're going ahead and install this. I already have the car, it's kind of jacked up already, and shouldn't be that hard to install. I say that now, but we'll see how much the bolts fight me right now. But overall quality, it's not that bad on it, I guess I'll get a measuring tape and measure this to see what's the actual diameter. It actually looks like 3 inches, so not bad. I know this one looks a little bit smaller, but we'll see right now how it goes. Time to get this job done because I'm running out of light pretty soon. Okay, from what it looks like, I'm gonna be removing 2 spring-loaded bolts that are connected from the downpipe to this test pipe, which is considered still part of the downpipe. But those 2 spring-loaded bolts and then 3 nuts that I'll be removing from here. So let's see how we can do this. All right, that one's done.
I can even try to get this in there. Got that done, so. Now I need an extension to remove these. Let's see if I can do it with this. I hope it's a 14. If not, then we sure are gonna find out. Oh, that one's not gonna work. Let's try to do this one. Nope, not a 14. It's gonna be a 12 then. Shit, I'm only going bigger. Let's see if we can do this one first. That one pretty loose. Is there any way that we can get this one? Two sections in the way. Well, let's go get my O2 sensor socket and remove that. So I finally took it out after struggling with it. From what it looks like, this part right here is about 2 3/4. This is basically the same thing. 2 3/4. The huge difference is it's basically the rest is 3 inches piping. As you can see, it's a huge difference, and the biggest difference is going to be here where the cat's at. This is 2 inches compared to 3 inches. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out. I do have a CL eliminator that I've been having this for years, and I'm finally gonna use it on something. So just in case that way I won't get no check engine light in case it does come on. I do have a Honda, but I haven't installed it yet. I'm just waiting to get my exhaust soon so that I can do a tune. Not sure who should I go with the tune, but I'll find out. I'll do some research and see what kind of tune I can get. But it took me a while to get it off. Those spring-loaded bolts is going to be the hardest part to put back in, but let's go ahead and put these bad boys in. So we're gonna go for his first startup. I already installed it. I know I didn't show any of the process because it took a little bit of time and struggling, but we're gonna see. I wasn't able to put the hanger because it looked like I need some new hangers, but I'm gonna see how this sounds right now. Yeah, sounds the same. No check engine light, so I did put the O2 the CL eliminator on, so I guess let's go down to see if we hear any kind of hisses down there, any leaks. I don't feel any air coming out. I don't see anything, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need to buy a gasket for this one because I don't have a gasket. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy one, but just for the meantime, I'm gonna leave it the way it is right now. I can't really see it. See if this turns on. There we go. There's the CEL eliminator. It's in there. I am gonna need a gasket for that. As of right now, I don't feel any air, so far so good. We're gonna go take it for a test drive and see how that goes. So going out for this test drive to see how it goes. I didn't really have much of a problem installing it. It's just that I just didn't want to be recording. I was just trying to get this done before, as you can see, it's kind of dark already. Started a bit late, so I just didn't want it to be like stopping and showing you guys how to do it. I'm pretty sure it's a pretty easy install. All you gotta do is remove 3 of the exhaust bolts and the 2 spring-loaded bolts with that, so it's not that hard. The only thing, like I said, I wasn't able to put the exhaust hanger on it because for some reason this one that they provide, it's a lot thicker, so I couldn't even stick it into the exhaust hanger that the stock one came with. So I'm gonna have to go buy another one. It doesn't seem bad right now, but I'm pretty sure at the racetrack it's gonna cause a lot of vibrations. So I'll just rather go buy an exhaust hanger, and I'm also gonna go buy a gasket. I don't want anything. I'm pretty sure there's probably like a little small exhaust leak, but nothing that I can tell right now. So far the car feels perfectly fine. No check engine light. Sound, the sound is pretty much sounds the same. I don't hear much of a huge difference. This is with the windows up, so I don't know how it is with the windows down, but other than that, the car feels totally good. Nothing wrong with it, like noise wise. There's no vibrations either. I'm also going to be installing a big brake kit that I got from DC Creations or something like that. Sorry if I messed up the name. But yeah, it's a big brake kit off Acura TL Type S, the ones that come with the Brembo package. So instead of this 1-piston caliper, I'm going to be upgrading it to a 4-piston caliper. It's gonna be a huge upgrade, especially for the track. It's gonna be well worth it. Car feels pretty solid. Sounded like VTEC engagement was a lot louder than usual. So I guess that's one of the things right there. VTEC engagement is a lot louder now that it removed one of the catalytic converters. I did order a downpipe from PLM, which I'm still waiting for them to send it because they don't have any in stock yet, so I'm still waiting on them. I just got this just because I felt like it. I don't know, I just felt like buying something for it, and I bought it. I will be selling this once I install my actual downpipe that I got from PLM, and then once I install that, I will be getting a tune for it once I get my custom 3-inch exhaust. And for my exhaust, I'm gonna be going for a 3-inch. I'm gonna be getting a vibrant exhaust and ultra quiet vibrant resonator. I'm probably gonna go and make it V-band, just so that it could be a lot easier to maneuver and put in and remove. But yeah, man, other than that, the car feels good. Like I said, the VTEC engagement is a lot louder than usual, so that's kind of a big plus. I will find out how it actually feels, and once I go to the racetrack next week, going to Bud and Willow, I'm gonna be doing a time attack competition with turn 8 track days, so should be fun. Not sure, there's like about at least 6 other people in my class. Not exactly, I know one of them is the new Hyundai Velociter N. That should be fun and interesting, even though that car has way more power than mine. But the only thing I have an advantage for me is track experience, so we'll see how that goes. Let's see if we can do one more little pull here. Maybe not. But yeah, man, other than that, the car feels perfectly fine. No issues, no check engine light. Well, that's right now, but I guess we'll see, find out once I keep driving it some more. Hopefully the CL eliminator works, and let's see if we can do a little pull right here in second gear. Get that VTEC engagement going on. It's actually pretty loud. I'll keep you guys more updated later on. I will be shooting a video, posting up a video of my big brake install. Alright, man, later guys.